What's up, Peach Cactus family? This is Andrew here. I'm back with another video, and this time I'm doing one a little closer to home for me. I'm doing a computer build, a new PC build. It's been a long time coming for me. It's exciting, as I guess it is for most people, I hope, to build a new computer. So I'm doing it in phases, so this is going to be a multi-part video over a few weeks. Don't worry, I got regular content coming too, but I wanted to share with you a couple of the parts that I got already, and then we'll take a look at the next parts when they come. Okay, so the first thing I've got here is my computer case. Now, I did all the work ahead to get it out of the box, but I left the wrapper or whatever on it. So let's take this off here. Set that aside for a minute. So what I have here is the Fantex. It's a mid-tower P350X series. It's pretty cool. I'm not one for a lot of RGB or whatever, the lights and such. It's cool, but I like the low-key stuff. I don't need everything. So this one has just a little bit. It's got kind of an inlay here with some lights that go down both sides, and I believe that there's some down the panel here. I don't remember exactly. I'm not really worried about it, but I am excited about the top panel here with the USB. My old computer back in the day, it was a little pop-down tray that popped down here, and you put your USB in there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So this one's gonna be neat. Tempered glass. This comes with like a grill guard on the top, I guess, to keep pet hair and dirt and dander or whatever debris out of the way. So this is the case. I'm excited. This is gonna slowly come together a little bit at a time. So I have some parts that are on order. It's really just the fans to accommodate the tower, just for the way I wanted to do some airflow. But I did pick up a couple things today, just some accessories, things that you probably wouldn't buy online unless you just knew 100% what you wanted to get. So I'll start kind of low-key. I got the Razer series for everything. So this here is the Goliathus Mobile Stealth Edition mouse pad. You could say you can get a cheap one, but whatever, I was already there. For those who want to see the dimensions, here they are. And I went ahead and took the liberty on most of these packages, just for time's sake, to open them. I haven't messed with them. All right. So here it is, nicely rolled up. Very cool. Oh, and it's got the Razer logo kind of blazed in the material there. It's a nice size. I like that. Should be nice for the gaming. Let's set that up there. Okay, so the next thing we have is the Razer Basilisk gaming mouse. It's powered by Razer Chroma, so is the keyboard. This one here is true 16,000 DPI 5G. Now, I saw a bunch of mice. I'm a little unsure about some of the mice. I'm a little out of the touch with that, but this one seemed to be pretty cool, and it's got some interchangeable like grips on the sides or whatever. So let's take a look at this one. Here we are. Here's some paperwork. I like that nice lithograph or whatever that is. It feels cool. Anyway, we'll read that stuff later. Here's our mouse, and here are a couple, move that paper out of the way. Here are a couple like interchangeable parts. Let's go ahead and pop this apart. There we are. There we are. So here are the interchangeable pieces. It may look a little backwards. There we go. Not sure if I'll use them. Maybe I will. We'll have to play around with it. And here's our mouse. I got this one, like I was saying, I'm not familiar with all the mice out there or whatever and some of the new technology, but this one, I had to have it when I sampled it. I was like, I like that prop for the thumb. This also has a profile setting. You can change your resistance. I guess that's for the DPI. And I do like the braided cable. Very nice feel. Razer is a pretty cool brand. I have some friends who mentioned them, and that's why I went with them. Very nice. Got your profile buttons. I'm sure most of these, if not all of these, are probably configurable. So there's our mouse. It's USB, of course. And check this guy out. So we have the Razer Ornata Chroma, and it's a mechanical keyboard. Top this down, box it off camera real fast. Here we go. So in the box, very nicely done. I will show that. In the top of the box here, there's a package where the user guide, and kind of similar to the mouse we just saw, there's that. And I liked that this also came with a, I guess you would say like an ergonomical like pad for your wrists. So when you're typing, forgot to take that off. Ergonomical pad. I love the clicking, and I know that there's different kinds. I don't know what these are. I can update the video with a annotation or something and show, but this is kind of my new setup here. I'm replacing a really nice Logitech wireless mouse and keyboard combo. Not top of the line, not low end. It's just, it works perfect. But for I'm getting into gaming with this too, so this will be really nice. This also is the braided cord like you see with the USB mouse as well. So this is the new setup. I'm going to try them on my existing computer because it's not in yet, the other parts to actually build off of. So this is going to be my setup for the short term, kind of slowly Frankenstein the pieces together until I'm ready to do the full build. So like I said, this is going to be a multi-part project, and we're going to piece them together, and I'm showing a couple videos here, just kind of a progress update. So that's where we're at right now. Stay tuned for another update soon.